Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Dorothy. Oops, no, I'm not Dorothy, I'm Jolene, and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I'm going to be filming a Temu haul of dresses I just got, and this is one of them. So I was joking that I look like Dorothy, so my husband said all I needed was the red glittery shoes. That's my dress. So I do have something I want to share today, and it is my Eyescream Beauty Box. I've been waiting because it says my bag is out for delivery, and I was hoping that I could share it also, but it still hasn't arrived. So I'm going to go ahead and share this. Some of the makeup for inside I'm using right now. So let's just get to it. Okay, friends, so like I said, I've been into this already because I've used some things, but there's a quick peek. This is the May, they call it Sunday mornings. Is that right? Sunday mornings. The box, yep, Sunday mornings. I'm going to share, let's see, what's the first thing I want to share here? Okay, this is from GerardCosmetics, and this is a BB Plus Illumination Facial Cream. And so it is can be like a primer. You can mix it with your foundation. You can put it on your skin, which I actually did a little bit, but I think I'm going to try it again. I'm going to read what it says about this cream, and then we're going to try some. It says, this innovative product can be used as an anti-aging primer to prepare and illuminate the skin mixed in or with your foundation or tinted moisturizer for a radiant, luminous glow. Used as a liquid highlighter, used to provide an all-over body glow, mixed with your favorite lotion to give arms, legs, and collarbones a gorgeous glowing finish. So it actually sounds like a really fun product for me, so I was kind of excited to get it. I'm going to show you well, I'm just going to put it on my fingers here. So it is actually coming out better now than it did at first. So there's the little bit I put. Now I'm going to go like this. You can see it's got, some of a glow here. I'm going to try it right here, kind of on my collarbones. I don't know if you can see the glow. It does bring a little bit of a glow. So that's it's actually kind of fun. I actually put it on, I did put it on underneath my foundation. I should have mixed it with my foundation. So that's a fun product, a decent value. So I guess I'm not too mad at it, even though it had a weird explanation to come with it. But it seems to work okay now. So there's that, the first product. The next product I'm going to show you that I got is lip products. And the first, okay, so I have lip pencils, and this can be a lip or eye pencil. And this is, they're writing, it's so small in here, I need my glasses. So it's Next Level Gel Liner by Appeal Cosmetics. It's a $21 value. And it looks, well, it says this gel liner is safe to be used as a lip liner or an eyeliner. Use it all over your lips to line them or as an added pop of color on your eyes. This matte, smudge proof, and long wearing. So I actually did put a little bit of this on. I thought it was going to be more of a mauve-y kind of rose color, but it's actually red. And I'm not really a red person, but see. Now wait till we see the lip product. Okay, so this lip product is also from GerardCosmetics. This is Color Your Smile Lip Gloss. Revolutionary product designed to bring glamour and ease to your beauty routine. Available in a stunning array of shades, these lip glosses come in two irresistible textures, semi-sheer and sparkling for a luminous finish, or highly pigmented opaque for colors as rich as a liquid lipstick. Okay, so I don't know what the other color choices were, but the one they gave me happened to be orange, which is all wrong, like so wrong for me. I don't use warm colors. I don't really like orangish, orange, even peach. I just don't like it, but I'm gonna put it on because why not? I got red lip liner on, and this is definitely orange. Okay. So when you mix them together, you get a little bit more of a rosy color. I don't know. Anyway, so there's that. That's my third product, these two together. So I tried them. Now I own them. All right, so now I have the fourth and fifth items in here. And the fourth item I'm going to show you is the Ultimate Cappuccino Eyeshadow Palette. Now this palette is valued at, I think it's valued at $34. It contains the newly reformulated mattes by DD Signature. DD Signature is a woman of color owned and USA-based beauty brand that features a wide variety of signature palettes. We are so happy to be able to feature this newly launched palette so that all of you can try their amazing formula. This palette features 8 mattes, 2 duochromes, and 2 metallics. So here we go. Here's what the package looks like here. Shows you a sample of the colors on the back. Then open it up, and there we go. I'm going to be honest with you. I actually I got brave and tried the orange a little bit. Did not like it. So I ended up just going with my usual kind of a brown color, but I did this on my whole eyelid right here. Then I did this on in my crease line. And then I did this darker one on the corners. And then I mixed this one and this one, these two bottom. They're kind of, I think they're more the metallics. And I mixed them and did them on the eyelid. This eye, I have a sore. It has a dermatitis on it or whatever. So it's kind of puffy. And so this eye is not a good example. But anyway, on this eye, these are very pigmented, very sparkly. So there's sparkles under my eyes. It just kind of ended up sparkling. Here's those two colors right there. And anyway, put a little bit of that over it. Might as well use it, right? Has this is a really fun duochrome right there. It was kind of a navy looking, and then you get like a green blue. Anyway, it's really pretty. Look at that. So pretty. Might as well do these on it too. And then this is the other one that's a duo or metallic. So there's those 4. Now let's try the middle. Let's try the middle 4. Okay, we're gonna go with the pink, the orange, the yellow. Then I'm gonna come up here and do the green. So there's those 4. They're very pigmented, I actually really like the formula of this. I've had it on for quite a while, and I do like it. There's those 4 colors. The pink is kind of it's not real powerful. There we go. So they're very buildable, very good colors. So now let's do the 4 browns. There they are. So I actually have these 3 on right now. So there they are. You probably could create a nice orange and pink look with this. I just didn't really like the orange on me, but it's a nice palette. I like the formula. So yeah, so that's fun. There's all the shades. So really fun duochrome and metallics. And they obviously stay. I mean, they were sticking to my hands, so I'm trying to clean them, but it's not really coming. But anyway, so the last item is also an eye product, and this is like a pinky purple. It is valued at $10, and it is Loose Duochrome Powder by Beauty Moon Cosmetics. I happen to have a blue one like this. They're very powerful, very sparkly. This is a loose duochrome pigment that shifts from a light purple to a very light blue. It's very sparkly. It is absolutely stunning shade and goes on beautifully as an eyeshadow topper, or if you are feeling a little more adventurous, you can use it as a highlighter. I'm not sure the color's right to even try. It just looks real shimmery. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if I dare try it as a highlighter. It's just real sparkly. So I love to ruin my makeup when I do this kind of stuff. So that's the 5th item. I'm going to tell you, there was 2 items I was excited about in the box, and that was the illuminating cream. I will definitely use this. I like the look. I actually like it as like on the collarbone and whatnot. It does give a little bit of a shine. So I do like that, and I might try mixing it with my foundation too and just see what happens. I do really like this eyeshadow palette. Maybe I'll get brave. Maybe I'll try an orange look again with the pink, or try the yellow. I don't know. We'll see. But that duochrome is beautiful. This down here, I think it actually, it looks kind of purple, and then when you get it on, it's kind of a green blue. I don't know. I think it would look pretty just as a single eyeshadow. There we go. There's the eyeshadow palette, the luminous BB cream, the lip liner, and the lipstick, and the duo lip, the loose powder. So there's the 5 items. I don't know. It was just an okay box. Like I said, I really like these 2 items. These obviously were a miss. I probably would use the liner again, maybe, but this orange just isn't cutting it. It might mix well with something else, but again, it's a warm tone, not for me. And then with the right look, I think I could use this this sheer powder. So anyway, that's it for the Ice Cream Beauty Box. Let me know what you think. It wasn't my favorite box from them, but there was some items that were decent. I'm still trying to decide if I'm going to keep this subscription or not. I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. Do you get the Ice Cream Beauty Box, and what do you think of it? Let me know. And I guess that's it for today. I appreciate your support. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, help me on my way to 1,000 subscribers. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.